In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add someone on Skype. If you don't know how to do that, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open Skype, of course. Then click on Contacts and click on plus New Contact. And then you can add someone via a phone number or just via their email address, real name or username. So I'm just gonna type in a username right here, and as you can see, this is another account of mine. Just click on it and check if it's actually the account you want to add, and then just click on add contact, and it says added to contacts. And of course the other one has to accept the contact request as well, but after that yeah, you've added a new contact. So that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.